Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the PP app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. Okay. So if you are an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store. So here I will just open my Google Play Store. As you can see here, you can also open, just go to the left side search button, search for the PP app. Okay, PP app, as you can see here, PP app. So here you can see PP app is here, like PP plus, as you can see. Just click on install and it will automatically download and install the app on your device. So by this way you can do it, and you can use too. If you want to place a review, write a review, you can also write from here as well. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.